2025 Audi SQ7. Starting at $92.590. Highs. Eye-opening performance, impressive blend of ride and handling, emotive V8 soundtrack. Lows. Mediocre fuel efficiency, tight third row, sobering price tag. Verdict. The SQ7 blends mega performance and SUV practicality in a well-appointed, versatile family-worthy package. Overview. The 2025 Audi SQ7 takes the inherent goodness of the standard Q7 luxury SUV and ramps up the performance big time with a 500 HP twin-turbo V8. The stylish, well-crafted three-row interior remains, as does the handsome exterior, albeit with some subtle SQ7-specific design cues. An 8-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and an enthusiastic exhaust note help the performance cause, as does a remarkably adept blend of handling and ride comfort from the sport suspension. That sublime blend of attributes is impressive enough to land the 2025 SQ7 a Car and Driver 2025 Editor's Choice Award. While the flashy two-row Audi SQ8 and its more powerful Rs Q8 share some of its performance character, the SQ7 seats more passengers and costs less. The SQ7 also shares the Q7's expansive 3-screen instrument panel and infotainment setup. Still, the sheer number of touchscreen inputs required to navigate many applications can be trying, and we'd prefer a few more hard controls for streamlined access to critical features. What's new for 2025? Cosmetic updates for the SQ7 include refreshed front and rear fascia with a reshaped grille, higher mounted headlights, and new daytime running light LED signatures. A new front spoiler and color-framed air intakes are also in place. The rear gets a new diffuser and revised tail lamps that display different light signatures and animations as you approach the vehicle. Exterior paint options now include Saphir Gold, Ascari Blue, and Chili Red, and new upholstery and wood and metal trim choices are available for the interior. There are also new wheel designs ranging from 19 to 22 inches. Infotainment upgrades include new app integrations for music streaming services such as Spotify and Amazon Music. Driver assistance features are expanded to display additional warnings including lane change, distance, and intersection warnings among other minor functions. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Audi SQ7 starts at $92.590 and goes up to $98.690 depending on the trim and options. Premium Plus, $92,590. Prestige, $98,690. Given the small delta between the Premium Plus and Prestige, it makes sense to go for the latter. It adds a head-up display, power soft close doors, and the executive package, dual-pane side windows, heated rear seats, ventilated front seats, and more, making it a deal for the price premium. Numerous packages are available, including a sport package with an upgraded suspension, a carbon optic package, carbon mirror housings and door inlays, and a tow package rated for trailers of up to 7,700 pounds. Engine, transmission, and performance. The SQ7 has a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine with 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque that it shares with the mechanically similar two-row SQ8 SUV. That sounds like a lot, and it is. This is the same engine found in the even higher performance Rs Q8, and it only gives up a bit of power and torque in the SQ7. Quattro all-wheel drive is standard, as is an 8-speed automatic transmission. Despite its performance potential, the SQ7 still effortlessly doubles as a family SUV, delivering a faultless ride. Handling is nothing short of heroic, considering that it's a veritable heavyweight. It tackles curvy roads effortlessly and rarely feels unsettled. 0-60 mph times. Audi claims a 4.1 second 0 to 60 time, but the last SQ7 we tested hit 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. The quarter mile consumed 12 seconds, and the top speed is electronically limited to 151 miles per hour. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't released any fuel economy estimates for the 2025 SQ7 yet, but we expect them to be similar if not identical to those of the 2024 model, which came in at 15 mpg city and 21 mpg on highway and 17 mpg combined. We'll update this story when the latest figures are published. That's about as thirsty as you would expect for a V8-powered SUV. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy test, the SQ7 nailed its rating and delivered 21 mpg. For more information about the SQ7's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The SQ7's interior offers the same practical 3-row layout as the Q7 but adds a few special touches, including sport seats with more aggressive bolstering and unique leather upholstery. Like the Q7, the SQ7's third row could benefit from a bit more space, and cargo room behind it is limited. Drop the third row, however, and the second row chairs and the SQ7 will likely hold the same 25 carry-on suitcases we were able to fit in the regular Q7. Infotainment and connectivity. The Q7 received a refresh for 2020 that included a new touchscreen infotainment system, and the SQ7 shares this same setup. 3 digital screens dot the dashboard, one serving as a reconfigurable gauge display, another handling navigation and entertainment, and a third providing access to vehicle settings and climate control. The 2025 model year sees some mild improvements, including the integration of Spotify and Amazon Music streaming services. Depending on how you feel about physical controls versus touch-sensitive ones, the SQ7's cabin may delight or infuriate. Safety and driver assistance features. Audi offers basic driver assistance aids as standard on the SQ7, but more advanced tech will cost extra. For more information about the SQ7's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with forward collision warning, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage. The SQ7 will be covered by the same warranty as other Audi models, and includes limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.